Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can delete your Grok Imagine history. In order to do so, here we are in Grok, and what we are looking for can be found here on the left-hand side in Imagine. You can go to your favorites, and from here, you can go through all of your different past projects, and what you can do is if you click on the specific project, then you can go here and you can delete the post. You can also go to your history, and from here you can delete any possible chats that may be related to them as well. You could just hover over and then you can click delete on that. And finally, if you come down to your profile icon here and you go to settings, then data controls, then here you can see that you can manage your data. You can delete your files and assets. You can delete conversations. You can clear your cache. You can even delete all your conversations. So that is how you need to go about that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic platform that is for business strategy. If you are a new business or an established business and you're looking for an edge, Sintra gets to know you and your business and offers tailored responses after getting to know you, and it really is a wonderful tool. Can't say enough good about it. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Check to see if it's available in your area.